Hello everyone, welcome back to day 12. So today we are back outside and accompanied by a sunset and a little bit of snow for this flow. Today we're going to start kneeling and just begin with a couple of shoulder shrugs / rolls. So it's a bit of both. Start by shrugging the shoulders up to the ears and then bring the shoulder blades down the back. After a little while, change direction. Good, last one. And then bring the hands out in front of you, clasp them and add a couple of wrist rolls. Bring the hands out in front, come into your tabletop position. Good, we're gonna kick that right leg back, lift the left arm forward, and tap the hand and the toe down. Keep it going, we're gonna go for about 10 taps and lifts. Try and just kick with the glute. Do not dip the lower back as you're lifting that back right leg. Good. When you're done with your 10, try and reach back with the left hand for the right foot, and then kick it up for tiger pose. A little bit of a back bend. Nice. From here, extend the right leg, left arm comes down, and we're going to do 5 little push-ups with that right leg lifted. Keep the right leg in line with the upper body. Nice. When you're done with your 5, come back to neutral. Bring the right leg in. Taking it to the other side now, extend the left leg back, reach the right arm forward, and add 10 more taps. Try and keep that spine straight, just use the muscles. Good, hold, reach the left foot with the right hand. And either just pull it in for the quad stretch or try and kick it up for tiger pose. Nice, release. Right hand comes down. 5 more push-ups. Keep that left leg in line with the upper body as you lower. Bring that left leg back in to neutral. Tug the toes under, lift the hips up for your downward dog. Deep breath in and out. Welcome the refreshing shape. Good, walk the feet forward. Inhale halfway. And exhale, take a little deeper fold, maybe grabbing onto the ankles or behind the legs, bending the knees if needed. Then from here, bend the knees, hips low, lift the arms into your chair pose. Exhale, bend back down to halfway lift or forward fold. Inhale, chair pose, hips low. Exhale, forward fold. Couple more. Inhale. Exhale to your fold. Inhale, bend the knees, lift the chest, use the back. Exhale, fold. Inhale, lift. Interlace the fingers this time, extending the legs and then bending even deeper into a closed-kneed bear pose. Arms come backwards, extend the legs and come up onto your tippy toes. Hold for a second, and we're going to do a couple swan dives. Continue holding that tippy-toed position, lift the arms up, and then exhale, try and dive all the way down to the point where you feel your hamstrings stretching. Keep on the tippy toes, lift back up. Exhale, dive down again. Good. Inhale, lift up. This one's a little bit tricky. Exhale, lower. Good job, that was the last one. Place the hands down, step the right foot back, pivot the right heel to the mat, and inhale, lift up into your warrior two. Bring both hands behind you, connect the palms for a reverse prayer pose. Knee over the ankle, look over the front knee. Try and find an opening in the front of the body, the shoulders. Then once you've found that, lean down towards that front left leg, elbow touches the thigh a bit. Turn to look upwards. Right shoulder lifts and stacks over the left. Nice, release the hands down, step the left foot back and lower for a vinyasa flow. Inhale, lift for upward dog or cobra, and exhale to downward dog. Inhale, walk it forward, halfway lift. Exhale, step the left foot back this time. Inhale, lift up, come into your warrior two again. Find your reverse prayer pose, open the chest. Look past the front right knee. Then from here, maybe connect the right elbow with the right thigh. Left shoulder stacks over the right as you tilt here. Inhale, arms lift. Exhale, they lower. Step back and take your flow. Upward dog or cobra, and downward dog. Take a deep breath in, and on the exhale, step forward directly to a forward fold. Inhale, lift up, wrap the right arm under the left, and step the left leg back for an eagle lunge. Good, deep breath in. And on the exhale, tilt forward and see how far up you can place that left foot on the right leg without any assistance, even if that's just on the ankle or the calf. Good, release the foot down and take a fold. Inhale, lift up, this time left arm under the right. Lift the right leg up and step it back. Come into a variation of the eagle lunge. Tilt forward, make sure you have your balance. Lift that right leg up and place it without any assistance on the left thigh. Good, hold your balance, deep breath. Nice. Exhale, take a fold. Inhale halfway. And on the exhale, take a seat. Find your bound angle, connecting the soles of the feet. Then trying to find length in the back. If you have more of an intermediate practice, or if it's accessible to you today, then try and fold forward. Take about 3 deep breaths. Good, inhale, lift up. From here, bring the right leg under the left, and then hook the left over the right thigh. Take a spinal twist. The right foot should be near the left side of the hips. Good, take it back to the middle. This time right leg hooks over the left leg and the left foot should be near the right side of the hips. Turn to the right for a spinal twist. Inhale back to the middle, reach the arms up, and exhale, bring them to the chest. Nice job. We'll finish there for today. Thank you for joining me, and I will see you tomorrow. Only 2 days left in our challenge. So see you tomorrow for day 13.